First word. Top. Top means
أعلى.
Let's see one example. He is a top player.
إنه لاعب رائع.
Second word. Attention. Attention means
انتباه.
Let's see one example. Do your work with attention.
قم بعملك باهتمام.
Third word. Hole. Hole means
الفجوة.
Let's see one example. Your shirt has 2 holes.
قميصك به فتحتان.
Fourth word. Accident. Accident means
حادث.
Let's see one example. She died in accident.
توفيت في حادث.
Fifth word. Protect. Protect means
يحمي.
Let's see one example. Army protects their country.
الجيش يحمي بلادهم.
Sixth word. Offer. Offer means
عرض.
Let's see one example. I accept your offer.
أنا أقبل عرضك.
Seventh word. Chest. Chest means
صدر.
Let's see one example. I have broad chest.
لدي صندوق عريض.
Eighth word. Breath. Breath means
نفس.
Let's see one example. Take breath with nose.
خذ أنفاسا.
Ninth word. Horn. Horn means
بوق.
Let's see one example. Cow has 2 horns.
بقرة لها قرنان.
Tenth word. Deeply. Deeply means
بشدة.
Let's see one example. Sea is very deep.
البحر عميق جدا.
To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.